I required only 7.5, but I got a band 8, as you can see here. Hello, my name is Roopak, and I have recently taken my IELTS coaching from Visa Solutions4u for general, and I have been applying it for past 2 years, and I have already given it 2 times, but I was struggling to clear my IELTS. But after taking coaching from Visa Solutions4u, I got my desired score at the very first time, and even more than that. So I would strongly recommend Visa Solutions4u to you if you want to clear your IELTS very first time. And I got a band 8, that was and I required only 7.5, but I got a band 8, as you can see here. So I'm really very thankful to this institute, and especially Madhuri ma'am, Prinkle and Preeti ma'am, who all supported me along my journey. Thank you so much.
This was a valuable feedback from one of our satisfied client who was able to crack his IELTS with more than 8,777. We were able to help more than 500 students in last financial year. Now we are eagerly waiting to assist you further. So what are you waiting for? Do call us now on 95 512 51295 and start your classes with us.